Yeah, how's everybody doing? Still doing good? All right. Thank you very much here, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the Drive-In Romeos, like I said before. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, driveinromeos.com. And I want you to be our friend, if you would. All right, yeah. All right, so what do you guys think? Should we do that Mexican love song for everybody in the house? We got to get them involved, all right? So we're going to do a mix. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we're a little bit on the browner side up here. But we're going to teach you, well, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the Mexican love song. Let your heart just soak it up. Maybe get close to your woman or your man. Get a little close. Say, I'm sorry for yelling at you this morning. Wives. I'm just kidding, sorry.
I knew it wouldn't be very long. We went to the mesa. I got my cerveza. I picked up the onions and lemons, and it was plain to see that I could clearly see. I knew it wouldn't be very long. Here we go. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. Guacamole, 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 guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. We fell into the line. I fell in right behind. And man, she sure looked good to me. She reached for her money. I said, wait a minute, honey. I believe this one is on me. We went to my pickup. We started to back up. We headed on down the road. We headed to mi casa, de tortillas y masa, and made guacamole all night long. There we go. Guacamole, 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 guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. Guacamole, 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 guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. All right, all right, all right, all right. You guys picking up what I'm putting down here? Yes? All right. So let me teach you a quick Spanish lesson for all my American friends. Okay, you guys ready? It's guacamole, not guacamole. So let's try it. Ready? Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Hold on, one more time. Can you guys hear that? I couldn't hear that. Let me hear it one more time. You ready? Guacamole.
Guacamole.
All right, sounding good. All right, fellas, you almost ready? All right, here we go. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Guacamole. Guacamole. We've been making guacamole. Everybody come on. Guacamole. Guacamole. We've been making guacamole. Now, hold on. All the cool people back there over there with the shades and they're all looking all in the shade back there. See that? Everybody look at them. Check them out. They're on the scene. They're on the scene. All right. Come on, Oscar. Let me hear you guys over there. Let's all do it one more time. You guys ready back there? Oscar, come on. Let me hear you. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Guacamole. Guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. Everybody, come on. Guacamole. Guacamole. We've been making guacamole all night long. Come on, boy. I fell into the line. He fell in right behind. And man, she sure looked good to me. Hey, mommy, you look so good. for her money. I said, wait a minute, honey, I believe this one is on me.